Turning on and off about the knife head show. First step, before starting the engine, pull and lock the clutch to separate the cutting head from the engine first. After starting the engine, loose the clutch. The blade's shaft will rotate and start work. Second step, after finishing grass cutting, lock the clutch first, then turn off the engine. Note: do not stand and operate in front of the cutting head. Dangerous. Showing of turning on and off the cutting head. Click the switch on the left upper corner for cutting head up and down.